Hi everybody, it's Diana at Catherine Diana Studios, and I thought I'd share with you a quick little video just showing you some clusters I made out of scrap paper left over from the snippets. The snippets, well, I didn't do rolls of them, I did just sections this big, but the snippets that I did the other day, and that video was posted sometime last week. And anyway, I just had leftover pieces and I had some more stuff, and I thought, you know what, I'll do a couple of clusters for some of the journals I'll be making. And I thought I'd just really quick show you a few of them. They're super, super easy to make. Just a little, I'm hoping that doesn't get, they're metallic, kind of. Am I getting glare? There we go, maybe that helps. So, try this one here. You see that? It's pretty. They're really cute. And you know, these are just cupcake. These are cupcake liners. I wrote these myself. You know, I don't have the best penmanship anymore. I used to do calligraphy and stuff, and I still can. It's just I'm older now, and my hands, you know, they're old and tired, and so I don't really like to do this kind of stuff very much. But it's not hard to do. You know, just write as neat as you can and put little dots at the edges and you're fine, you know. So, or you can start as a dot and then start writing. Oh, look, I have glue on my fingers. Anyway, so here's a few more, not so metallic. Let's try that. There we go. So anyway, I don't know if you can see all of these, but they're super easy. And all you do is just start with a piece of leftover scrapbook paper and layer one on top of another. It's super, super easy. I think I've got some samples here. Obviously, these are not cut and they're not, you know, anything fancy, but this would typically be a bigger piece, or you could just do that and you can add one of these on and maybe put, oh, I don't know, another little piece across here and you know, glue them all together however you like. And then just grab, you know, little embellishments that you might have from a craft store, or I used today, I think I got these at Hobby Lobby last year. I don't remember where I got them. You see this brand here? Anyway, they're gift tags, and I just cut some of the images out. You know, like, here we go, like some of the birds and stuff like that. I did that, and then I had the little Dollar Tree stickers. These were left over from last year. I know there's glare showing up. And I had some fun fur. Used some of that in the background. You can pick this up. Hobby Lobby used to carry it. I was looking for some the other day and I didn't see any. I don't know if Joann has it, and Michaels doesn't seem to carry it anymore. So, you know, you just put your little pieces, of paper together. Gosh, where'd it go? There it is. Put your little pieces of paper together, and, you know, I might actually, you know, do opposite side or something to kind of break it up. There we go. So you put your pieces together, and you can take a little piece of, goodness, you could use a piece of ribbon. You could use a piece of, well, even, good grief, well, the ribbon stuff, Christmas stuff, you know, from Michaels and Hobby Lobby, the spools. You could put some, obviously one that would match. This isn't so bad though, but I mean, it'd be better if it was blues in the background. You know, you can, well, there's some blue there, like, so if you had blue, see how adding a few pieces of whatever, you know, you start just building on, and try not to think about it. You just plop them on there, you know, and then all I do is cut a little piece of, where's my little scissors? A little piece of this fun fur. Typically just loop it around like so. I better make sure that you can see what I'm doing. Yeah. And I would have glued all those together already. And then I'll grab some little sticker that might fit, you know, say like that would fit. Oh, isn't that cute already? Well, what the heck? Why don't we just make it? All right, let's just make it. This wasn't going to be a craft with me, but it's turning into one, but that's okay. You know what? And, you know, it's funny, I'll lay things out and then I go to put them down and they never turn out the same. Close, but, you know, and you can use a glue stick. I've been using this tacky glue here tonight on everything. Just kind of make sure you don't get too much glue behind you. And if you do, just kind of wipe it off a little bit. There's still always going to be some when you're using glue like this, because it just manages to kind of get all over the place, but that's all right. All right. Shouldn't set right away. Kind of a damp baby wipe here. Okay, I'm going to spin this little guy around. Doesn't have to be perfect at all. You know, that's the nice thing. None of these things have to be perfect. It's amazing. You just take your leftover pieces of whatever. Oh, of course, there's nothing in here. I mean, there's plenty in here, but I always do a little dab kind of right there. And which one were we doing? That guy? Let's go with that guy, I guess. And they are adhesive on the back, but I just go ahead and add a little more. And that's one of the reasons why I was doing the tacky glue tonight. Because I was using a lot of these, and I don't think that a glue stick would adhere very well or for very long. So, stay. Alright. I don't have a lot of... That's alright. Okay. I know it's kind of sticking back there. Alright. We've got this. I usually try to keep that underneath. There we go. So while the glue is wet, you can kind of shove them under there. But if some of it sticks out, I really don't think anybody's going to notice. You will, but no one else will. Alright, let me get some of that extra glue off the back. And you can put another piece of like cardstock or something on here to reinforce it if you want to do that. And we'll get that glob of glue off. Okay, and so it's fine just like that, or you could add a word. Do I want to use any of these? I don't know. How about, you know, since there's so much room here, and there's some room up here too. Actually, when there is room like that, sometimes and there's just too much room, I'll just pull these little guys up here. Of course, I have to fight with them like this. And I'll just make it a little bit smaller. And just pull them back down again. I'm going to do the same here. And even though these are already cut to size, you can just turn right around and just cut a little bit off. And there it is, just like that. I think there's glare there. Let's try that. Get away from this light. I don't think I can. How about over there? Sorry, I didn't mean to make you seasick there. Anyway, they turn out super cute. And you can add a word if you want, or not. You know, I've got a few here, sugar plums and stuff like that. But anyway, but there you go. Super easy, and it's just your scraps, you know, just leftover scraps. Dang it. These are so cute, and that glare is really picking up because they're metallic. Is that good? Anyway, just what you can do with your leftovers. So, anyway, thought you might want to be encouraged to save some of your scraps when you're crafting, and because you never know what you can do. Throw them in a, you know, a bin, a little container that you can get from the Dollar Tree. You can get some pretty good sized ones with lids on them for cheap, and hang on to them, because it's amazing what you can come up with, and super cheap, especially when you're buying more stuff from Dollar Tree. And these are great for little gift tags, and you know, embellish some maybe jars. You know, you're making a jar of homemade bath salts or something like that, and you can just attach this to a string and tie it around the neck of the bottle, and it just turns out really cute. So anyway, so there you go. So hope you all are having a great day, and that you're safe and healthy, and Take care, and we will just talk to you soon. Okay? Bye!